Hey everybody, it's Mike here. Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video in Plasticity. Well, today I want to show you a quick little editing trick that I'm not 100% convinced everybody's aware of, right? I personally love it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to grab a random object. Let's just grab a cube here, go to our center, pull that out, pull it up, there you go. We're going to hit S on the keyboard to scale it a little bit. Stretch it out like this, and that's fine, right? Nothing too fancy. Okay, now we're going to put a hole in the middle. So let's grab a cylinder here, pull that out, push that down, click on OK. There you go. Now, did you know that after creating a hole like this, you can go and move it around, right? So you can go to face mode, click on these faces, hit G on the keyboard. You can literally move that around, which is very, very cool. And you can move it to any position you like. You can scale it, you can move it, you can do all of that, and you can even rotate it, right? So what I can do is I can, for example, let's click on OK. I can, for example, hit R to rotate, and I can do something like this, which can be very, very handy if that's something you're looking for, right? So yeah, that's all I wanted to share with you guys. It's very powerful, it's very cool to play with, and now you have another thing in your modeling tool belt, right? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.